This is Quincy drinking Dr. Pepper out of my cup. That's his way of doing it. Tell me that's not some crazy ass shit. I mean, are you kidding me? A cat that likes Dr. Pepper. Is everyone saying this shit? And he is just sitting and drinks the whole rest of the thing in the bottle cup. I am cracking up with this. I wondered what the hell he was doing. All I could hear was beside me. I guess he's thirsty. What an ad for Dr. Pepper. Quincy, is it good? Quincy. Quincy. You want to be a pepper? Quincy. You are the strangest cat, dude. Look at you. You've been doing this for over a minute. I cannot believe you're doing this. You are freaking a trip. Okay, that's enough sugar for you. Thank you. That's enough.